Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at Vtuned's garage. We are going to help him do some more work on his Mustang. We actually just helped him with the rear pan. Check this out. So we just welded on this brand new piece here. As you guys can see, we spot welded this thing on, and he made this really cool custom bar under here. And I'm guessing he's gonna put just a trunk pan down in there.
Gas tank.
A gas tank? That's what's going. Oh, nice. Heck yeah. So the back's pretty much done. And now he wants to delete these drip rails here. I call them rust catchers, as many of you guys know. They do tend to rust really bad right here when the cars get parked outside in the rain. And Ben wants that really sleek, I guess, kind of modern look. So he wants to get rid of these drip rails. And so we are going to cut them off and then weld the corner back up, and that's it.
Grind it back down and it's gonna be just like it was never there.
Yep. Let's see what we can do.
All right.
Man, look at that drip tray. It turned out so nice. Wait, what drip tray? I actually had very little faith in this operation. When Ben told me that he wanted to remove these drip trays, I was very skeptical as to how it would turn out. But looking at this, man, I think it's beautiful. I think it's what it should have had from the factory, honestly. Like that, I've said it before, that's a rust catcher. Now on, it's just gonna be smooth. You'll have your window sills down here, and car is going to be kept in the garage, so don't have to worry about water running off the roof. Now all we have to do is finish off this weld right here. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. I'm going to make Nate wire wheel all that out of there, and we'll weld that up, and then we'll weld up the other side, and that's pretty much it. Besides that tunnel, the tunnel we probably won't even get near today. but hopefully we can at least get the drip trays deleted on both sides and then call it a night. So let's get to it. All right, so we are done for the night. We're going to make Ben grind all this down because we're welders, we're not grinders, you know. But let me know what you guys think about this drip rail delete. What do you guys think? Is it something that you could possibly want to do on your classic vehicle, or is it something that is just an unnecessary touch? Which at first I was thinking it was unnecessary, but now looking at it, I'm like, man, it's going to look so much better without that drip rail.
And I mean, it's not like he's going to put chrome anywhere else. I think he's going to be deleting the chrome, so might as well do that.
Hey, sir, quit making noise in the video.
I gotta get this thing done for SEMA.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And if you want to see this thing all done, because we will be helping Ben get this thing all done, hit that subscribe button.
All right.
And check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.